Hi friends, this is Silva. Day by day IT related videos, design software related videos, education training purpose videos we are uploading my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainer. Go to browser, browse in this software www.com. Just download it. If you have any doubts, any queries, description, comment section will reply you. I am already downloaded. Your download already installed. Some like errors comes. You don't worry. Go first your data backup and fresh install. After do this works everything. Okay. I am already in this related videos we are uploading my channel. Previous videos. Go and check after you come here, because how to in this software installation, after how to use and how to ACTIVT activate. Okay, how to everything videos there. First, this is for installation procedure only, step by step how to install it. Okay, in this previous videos how to activate videos there, go and check. Okay, this same like upcoming videos or previous videos we are uploading my channel. Go and download it or go on to check and confirmations. Okay, if you have any doubts, any query, have comment section, reply you. You are already facing your errors. Freshly installed your OS after do this in the software. Okay. Installation successfully in these applications. Go to search bar, DFE type, and in this pop, just disable it, just close it. Okay, just you went for download and the software files. Want to check all the available or not, just keep the PS2 in the C drive. After working or not, you check it. Okay, this is procedure for only installation processing. If you have any doubts, any queries you have available, just comment me in comment section. See you friends next video, how to install different versions. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching Infinity Gainer. If you have doubts, any queries, comment me in comment section.